Tianjin MTW Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is one professional manufacturer for filling machines, capping machines, aluminum foil sealing machines, and labeling machines in Tianjin. We manufacture the Panasonic servo motor piston filling machine to fill liquid or paste like cup, honey, fruit jam, chocolate sauce, luncheon meat in food industry, and shampoo, lotion, shower gel, laundry detergent, dishwashing gel in home cleaning liquid industry, and also lube oil, car oil, engineer oil, antifreeze solution, brake fluid in car industry. All our machines are past the CE testing. These powers are 100% fully load burn-in testing to make sure the quality. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. After 12 years development, our factory is equipped with machining center machines and multifunction testing machines. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. We can tailor-made machines according to customers' requirement. We are a reliable manufacturer for those packing machines and with 2 years warranty. The technical in our after-sales service team speak very good English, which can give direct technical service and support for our customers. We are looking forward to get more cooperation from all over the world.